Courage to love.
The little nature scientist in the garden.
Couldn't Mia spotted a ladybug climbing a sunflower in her garden. How does it climb so high? She wondered. Becoming a nature scientist, Mia grabbed a notebook. Day 1, she placed an apple slice near leaves, observing if the ladybug climbed from soil or stems. Day 2, she drew chalk lines to track its path. Day 3, she measured the stem's height and timed the climb. After 3 days, Mia discovered the ladybug always ascended from leaf stem joints, resting every 5 centimeters. She drew charts and wrote, "Every creature has its rhythm, only observation reveals their ways." Showing her report to the teacher, Mia heard a true scientist ask questions, then observes and records answers. She nodded, already planning to study earthworms next, continuing her adventure in learning.